Agastya, in the context of Indian mythology and history, is a revered sage and an important figure in Hinduism. His name is associated with wisdom, knowledge, and spiritual enlightenment. Let's explore the significance and legends surrounding Agastya. Legendary sage. Agastya is considered one of the Saptarishi, the seven great sages in the Hindu tradition. These sages are often depicted as the mind-born sons of Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe. Agastya is regarded as wise and knowledgeable sage who played a crucial role in the development of Hinduism and its scriptures. Geographical and historical significance. Agastya is not only a mythological figure, but is also associated with the spread of Hindu culture and knowledge in ancient India. He is traditionally believed to have migrated from the north to the southern reaches of India, particularly to the modern-day state of Tamil Nadu. His journey southwards is often cited as symbolic of the spread of Vedic knowledge and civilization to the southern parts of Indian subcontinent. Contributions to Hinduism. Agastya is credited with numerous hymns and mantras found in the Rigveda. Agastya is credited with numerous hymns and mantras found in the Rigveda, one of the oldest sacred texts in Hinduism. His contributions to Vedic literature and his role in codifying various rituals and practices have had a profound influence on the development of Hindu religious traditions. Mythological stories. There are several mythological stories and legends associated with Agastya. One of the most famous stories involves him swallowing the ocean to help the Devas, celestial beings, defeat the Asuras, the demons. This act is seen as a demonstration of his incredible spiritual power and knowledge. Teaching and spiritual guidance. Agastya is often depicted as a teacher and a spiritual guide to many other sages and disciples. His teachings are said to encompass a wide range of subjects including philosophy, astrology, medicine, and martial arts. Botanical and environmental legacy. Agastya's name is also associated with the Agastya's mountain range in the western Ghats of southern India, which is considered a place of natural beauty and biodiversity. The region is named after him and is known for its rich flora and fauna. In summary, Agastya is a revered sage in Hinduism whose life and teaching are celebrated in Indian mythology and history. He represents the pursuit of wisdom, knowledge, and spiritual enlightenment, and is remembered for his contributions to the Vedic literature, his role in spreading Hindu culture and knowledge, and his legendary feats. The story of Agastya continues to inspire spiritual seekers and scholars in the Indian subcontinent and beyond.